Good morning, everyone. So we did that job probably 2 years ago, and I remember we couldn't get up the driveway. So here's our first challenge. We can't get our installation trailer up that driveway, so we'll have to carry the tank up and set it in place, and it's going under the front porch. So anytime we have to cut or thread a pipe or do anything, we got to walk down here and grab it from the trailer. Not a big deal. It just makes me think we need a box truck to be able to drive it up. So we're gonna offload the equipment and we'll J-hook that tank, and I'll track that tank up. So hopefully we brought the J-hook. We'll see you up there. Alright, so here's where the tank is. I mean, the removal is easy, but look at what we do to the ground when it's so soft like this. There's just not much that we can do when we're working during this period of the year. But we do have a guest. Sonny, come here. Come here, girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. Oh, yes, a good girl. Yeah. And we got Rollin. Rollin's the other pup. He's somewhere around here. So just having these guys around, it's going to be a great day. So I carried the tank up. We set it in place. It's a 330-gallon horizontal. That's what a horizontal is. It's the same thing as a vertical, but it's laid down. And he wants it in here. So she's a tight squeeze. We're going to have to get in there, probably get the geo-ripper. I think maybe over here will be better. First we'll go inside and see what's the easiest access for the return and suction lines to go into the burner room. And then we'll start taking that lattice down. Just a pain in the neck. Everything has got to be carried up. Right, Sonny? Yes. Oh, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah. So we'll start loading up everything we need and begin. Actually, I'll take that lattice off now. All right, so he wanted it under here. So I mean, as soon as I pull this off, you look at that and I know water's gathering there. I don't know why. I don't know where it's coming from, but that's certainly water. So we just got to look for a more solid. Do we have the 44 inches there? Yeah. Yeah. Plenty. So I'm going to say the further we can keep it over here, the stability, or you want to put it in there, but then piping it out, you're going to have to come all the way, strap it.
I'm going to go to there.
And we got to take that lattice off.
No, I'm going to cut a hole in it.
Put it right here. Or you're going to cut a hole in the lattice? Well, whatever you...
that's about, because I don't understand.
Yeah, I'm just going to stay away from it. You can see that the water has just recently pooled there. Makes no sense.
Come on, post 10, tell us what.
Yeah. Post 10. What's going on here? Alright. I say we level that area. See how hard it is, whether or not we need a geo-ripper. We're probably going to be spending most of our day playing with these guys. Sonny does not come off this walkway because they just installed a new electric fence, so I don't think he's figured that out yet. Alright, so I'm going to sit here. That's how, you know, I don't like to remove them that way. And we'll put the overburden here. I don't think I'm just going to sink my truck trying to get that in. Because he said his leach fields are right there. And you can obviously see that the leach fields are failing. And that's cooling up. So, looks like we're going to have to muck truck 5 tons into here. So it'll be a little bit longer day than expected. But we got good company. Okay. Oh, Sonny, that's what happens when as you get older. I can tell you stories, Sonny. Okay, so that gear rip is pretty cool. I did take one right on the chin, though. That's what you got to do. You got to take it on the chin for the team. Also, a little out of breath. So we're going to find exactly on where to put those blocks. We'll level it. And instead of adding dirt to that, we're going to cut into the virgin. How close are we?
Monkey side's that high there. We have that little hammer.
Let's get it on that bubble. But where's the plug going to be? Drainage plug's over here?
Right.
Perfect. Okay. So we are back to excavating the underground tank. All right, that's good enough for now. This is why I hate to sit there when taking these out. I got to keep moving around here. I do all that damage. Don't even do that great of a job uncovering it, but as long as I grab one end cap like this, I can get my leverage from that side if need be. So Mike's going to clean it off, cut a hole in it. It's got 26 inches of product, no water. Sam's bringing over the Sawzall. I don't know how we're going to get this product. I think maybe I'm just going to go get the dump truck, put it in 4-wheel, and try to bonsai up here. Sometimes regret doing that. Otherwise, we're wheelbarrowing 5 tons. And you don't recommend that, Sonny, do you? Do you? You don't recommend that, right? That's not a good idea. No, it's not. Oh. Challenges?
Yeah, I'm just not banging on all cylinders today.
How come?
Oh man.
Yeah, it happens. It happens. What do you need from me?
Nothing.
What am I doing with this truck? Am I trying to get it in?
Probably not.
No.
Is it worth the 4
Serious?
hours cleanup?
No, it's not. There's Rollin. Come here, boy. Come on. Come on. Where's your stick? Come on. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Where's the stick? Oh, that's a good boy. All right, let's make a decision, and it'll be a show for you if we try to get it in. All right, we certainly have a challenge here. This is the burner. So we're gonna have to come up, go over. We're gonna have to take out all these drop ceilings. Over. Because the tank is right on the other side of that wall. So all this has got to get moved. We're going to be working in the back of there. It's a good one on top of the 82 wheelbarrows of fill. So we're going to get at it. So the burner is right on the other side of that room. So it seems to me the smartest thing, because a lot of times when you tack a return and suction line to the bottom of joists, you get that vibration when the burner kicks on. And sometimes you get a humming upstairs. And geez, I'm coming across just about his entire house. So that's just a problem waiting to happen. So for me, I think we just geotrench a line from the burner all the way right to here. And then we'll take it right in and install a brand new line all the way. That makes the most sense. Tank's going to be above ground. You're going to get a little bit of gravity helping you. So maybe going to have some root issues here. So that's our plan of attack. Let's go see what this installation looks like. Looks good. Transferring. Throw a level on it. Got that pitch. Very good. Okay. All right, so we decided we're going to trench from there underground. Everything under the deck was real soft, so we got our 18 to 20 inches easily. We got some roots right here we're going to have to cut out to get our 18 inches. Then we'll go across, pull those lines out. We'll run the new lines right to the burner, which is not bad. It's better than taking the chance of strapping these to the bottom of the joist, because you'll get that vibration. So nobody's really talking about the elephant in the room, where we got to get 5 tons of dirt from there into the hole. That's why I got my kids. So Jammer is down here now threading pipe. Get some measurements for what we need. This is the fill pipe coming out. Jammer comes down, threads it, we jump in our Tank Master golf cart and take it on up. Say again?
It looks like garden-worthy soil.
It's good stuff. The puppies will like it.
Yeah. All right,
We are loading up all of the vehicles, making sure everything's secure. Mikey's finishing up, sweeping that entire driveway. Just taking care of the little bit of mud that was stuck to the tracks. Any comments? Today's project, men? Nothing? Mike? Kids are quiet. They're good. They're good. And that's it. We'll go up there and I will show you how the finished product looks. You know, we're in November. Stuff's freezing, thawing. It's wet. It's the worst time for a final product. And we tell people if they want it to come out perfect, we should wait till the springtime when things dry up. But in this pandemic, that's what everybody seems to be doing. They're selling. And you can't sell at home with an underground oil tank. Or at least you shouldn't buy one with it. That timing worked out perfect. All right, we'll go up there and show you what it looks like. Okay, folks, we are done here. These are lousy conditions out here now. So, all things considered, it's pretty good. New installation, burners up and running, tanks full. That's where the fill pipe comes out. Right there. That looks good. What is that? That's the shavings. All painted. Everything is good. Mikey's sweeping off this driveway. We have completed another task. I appreciate everybody watching. And as always, it's another fine job. Tank Masters Environmental.